What is up, guys? It is Jacob from timelapse here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download and use the slow shutter preset that I have on my website. When you download it, you're going to be getting this WINRAR file. You want to make sure that you have WINRAR on your computer. If you do not have WINRAR, I'll have it linked in the description below. WINRAR is an app for your computer that lets you compress and package files, so it makes it smaller so I can upload it and it's not as big for you guys to download. So basically, once you download it, you're going to get something like this. Add timelapse slow shutter presets. You're going to open it up, and then you're going to have this here. So the way it's going to work is you're going to drag and drop that. You can put wherever you want. I'm just going to put it on my desktop for the sake of this video. Once you open it up, you're going to have the Premiere Pro presets and the After Effects presets. We're going to be going over both of those in this video, teaching you guys how to do both of them. What you're going to want to do is you're going to be opening a Premiere project file. So I have 3 clips here that I'm going to be showing you guys the slow shutter preset on. So the way this works is you want to go to Effects, you want to click on Presets, and then right click on it, and then Import Presets, right? And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your desktop, you're going to want to find that file, and then you're going to go to Premiere Pro presets because we're in Premiere Pro, and then you're going to double click on it. And then once you guys do that, it'll be there forever. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring this down here, and then you have all of them here. It's showing double right now because I already had it in there. So the way this is going to work is you're going to drag and drop on the clip. It's as easy as that. So for example, this one here, let's drag and drop normal. See how that looks? Right? Cool as fuck. And then this one here. Let's see how daytime looks on this. It's not daytime, but you can just mess around with it. You have kind of that look there, right? Kind of a cool look. I'm gonna bring this down to 1/4 just so it doesn't lag. I think that the one we used before, normal, would look cooler on this. Yep. Look at that. Cool as fuck. And then Playboy Cardi Sky video here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag and drop normal on this one. See how it looks. That's a dope look. I already fuck with that. Let's say you want to try nighttime on this one. Right, get kind of a different, like, more glowing look with nighttime, and then daytime there. Let's drag and drop that. Less glowing if you don't want to go for like the bright look, but yeah, 3 different looks: daytime, normal, and nighttime. Go crazy with them. All right, yo. So now we are in After Effects. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to open the presets in After Effects. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to go into your computer. You're gonna want to go to your local disk wherever you have After Effects saved. So I've done my local disk. You're then gonna go to Program Files. And then you're going to look for Adobe. You can open that up there. You're going to go to After Effects 2021, whatever version you're using. I have both. 2021 there, you're going to double click on that, go to Support Files, and then you're going to go all the way down and find Presets. Where presets, right there. So then what you're going to do is you're going to create a new folder, Slow Shutter Presets, right? And then you're going to double click on that. I already made one in here earlier, so we're just going to delete that one. Just like that. New file called slow shutter presets, or preset, whatever. You're going to double click on it, and then you're going to go on your computer wherever you save the slow shutter presets. So I have them on my desktop here. So I have them in here. I'm going to drag them onto my desktop, and then what you're going to do then is you're going to drag them into the file, right? The slow shutter preset file in presets within After Effects, the support files. So you're going to drag and drop these in there. Continue. And now all 3 of them are in there, just like that, as simple as that. So the way it's going to work now is I have After Effects open, so I might need to restart it, but let's just see if they're in here. All right, awesome, so they're in there. So all you're going to need to do now is you're just going to search in Effects, slow shutter, and then they're all going to be there. You're going to have daytime, night, and normal, and then just like before, you're going to drag and drop it on the clip. There you go. And then just like before, drag and drop it on the clip, and you're set. Those are your slow shutter presets. If you guys do not have these already, the link is in the description for my website. I'll also have a little video showing you guys how to buy them at the end. These are super easy to use. I cannot stress this enough. This is such a cool look. I love doing this look in my videos, and I recommend it. I super recommend it. It will elevate your videos to the next level. And yeah, if you guys want to cop, link is in the description like I said. Have a nice day. Enjoy.